my husband is a truck driver, and I was just, I rode with him one day, and actually we was going down 20, I-20, but I would just want to ask a question about, he's a good driver, and when he changed lanes, put his signal on it. But anyway, he had put his signal on, and I was watching in the mirror. Anyway, we wasn't in an accident, but we was close to being in an accident. But I guess the car behind him got mad as he had moved over. But he went around him and got in front of him, and then he jumped in front of him and then throwed on the brakes. So I would just want to ask, like, if you, and he had, he's pulling the trailer and everything. So I just want to ask if he would have hit him from behind, what kind of, would that be his fault?
Yeah, I guess because the common thought is if someone hits you from behind, then it's their fault and not yours if you're the driver in front. But if someone's in front of you slamming on their brakes,
that's right,
and you're in a heavy truck.
It's a good example of the fact that the accident report could reflect in that case that there was a rear-end collision between an 18-wheeler and a passenger vehicle. Those accident reports not being admissible, generally that's the statement may come in, but then you'll find out that there was this road rage involved, and that is an incredibly dangerous maneuver to perform in front of a truck that may weigh 80,000 pounds on an interstate. So, no, truck drivers are not always going to be at fault for these collisions. I mean, that is the takeaway that I got from that phone call, that most drivers are good drivers out there. There are so many trucks on the road and so many cars on the road that, sometimes people in trucks are going to be doing the wrong things and not following the regulations. But, in that situation, I can't imagine the truck driver would have liability.